Step it back with the right, turn to the right, back to the front, and press at the top. 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and make your way back to your stroller. My name is Strnad. I am a mom of 2 and a former engineer turned middle school science teacher and now small business owner of FIT4MOM North Hills in the Pittsburgh area. FIT4MOM is the nation's leading pre- and postnatal fitness provider. We offer classes at FIT4MOM North Hills that are stroller friendly, so moms can bring their kiddos along for the workout. And we incorporate songs and books and bubbles and just kind of fun activities for the kids to help keep them engaged in the stroller while mom gets in a good workout and gets some time to connect with other moms as well. I started taking FIT4MOM classes whenever my 4-year-old was just 7 months old, so I've been doing it for a little while, and I started out with it because I enjoy being active, but I also wanted to get out of the house with my little baby and meet some other moms and have her have a chance to socialize too. And fast forwarding about 3 years later, whenever the previous owner was looking to sell, I took over as the new owner in order to keep that community going for moms. At FIT4MOM, we use the phrase strength in motherhood, and I love how that encompasses both the active fitness aspect of what we do, where we are helping moms get stronger and build strength, but also building community among moms to help with, the other challenging aspects of motherhood that you need strength and community for. And I love that there's something there for moms, but also for kids with our play dates after class. My kids have made some great friends this way too, in addition to all of the wonderful relationships I've built. Duquesne SBDC has helped me immensely along the way. So not having a business background, coming into small business ownership, I definitely had a lot to learn just as far as the mechanics of running a business. It's been very helpful having a mentor, a business mentor to meet with regularly, and she really has helped me focus in on what should my priorities be for my business, where should I be focusing that limited time and energy that I have. So I'm so grateful for the support that I've received in that way, and I can't recommend Duquesne SBDC enough.